Let's explore how Java powers the enterprise world applications around us. Java runs at the heart of global business operations, from customer service portals to cloud backends. Java is trusted by enterprises to build secure, scalable, and mission-critical applications and systems. In enterprise systems, Java powers everything from banking platforms and insurance systems to ERP solutions. These systems handle sensitive customer data and complex business workflows reliably and at scale. For web applications, Java shines with tools like Spring Boot, Hibernate, and Tomcat. Think of e-commerce sites, online banking sites, customer service portals. These serve millions of customers every day, and Java is something that makes that possible. In the world of cloud computing and microservices, Java is cloud native ready. It integrates seamlessly with Docker, Kubernetes, supports CI/CD pipelines for continuous integration and deployment, and it has SDKs and libraries available to integrate well with most popular cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCS. When it comes to big data and analytics, Java is the engine behind technologies like Apache Hadoop and Spark. It processes massive amount of data for fraud detection, analytics dashboard, and personalized AI recommendations. When you're learning Java, you're just not learning to code. You're preparing yourself to build critical, high-impact systems that are used in industries across the globe.